It's safe to say nothing can make up for the time someone spends wrongfully behind bars.
But for almost a decade, a Minnesota law has created a compensation process for people who are wrongfully incarcerated. Fox 9's Rose Schmidt takes a closer look at the law for us tonight. And Rose, this came about after multiple high-profile cases.
Yeah, it's called the Imprisonment and Exoneration Remedies Act. The language was a compromise between the Innocence Project, prosecutors, and lawmakers.
And what do you say to someone who spent, a decade or two in prison when they never should have been there?
John Lesh grappled with that question 9 years ago when he sponsored legislation in the Minnesota House that would provide compensation from the state after wrongful convictions. Lesh, now a criminal defense attorney, also worked as a prosecutor for 15 years.
I remember bringing some cases as a prosecutor and starting out and being sure of the conviction that the person was guilty, and getting to trial and hearing some facts that I hadn't seen and realizing maybe I was wrong.
His legislation led to the state enacting a 2014 law that provides for at least $50,000 per year of wrongful conviction, plus other costs like attorney's fees. That's after someone is exonerated for a felony, like Marvin Hayes now has been, after he was released from Stillwater Prison Monday.
We fully anticipate that Marvin will qualify for that, but we're taking one step at a time here.
His attorneys say they'll be looking at compensation, but Lesh, who's not involved with this case, says there's a lengthy process involved, especially if the compensation panel decides he deserves more than $50 grand a year.
So this guy could get, upwards of $1 million. But who knows how many years it's going to be before he sees that.
To give you an idea, in 2016, payments of $916,000, $475,000, and $395,000 were approved to 3 people who each served time for crimes they didn't commit, totaling almost $1.8 million.
I think at a certain point, prosecutors are required to think about, what's this going to cost me? What's this going to cost the government if I go full speed ahead?
In 2019, language was added to the law saying there also needs to be evidence suggesting innocence. Lesh says in Haynes' case, several people recanted their original statements, and he believes that would qualify. Kelsey?
All right, thank you, Rose.